Hi and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cooling fan on your Mini. Now I've just taken this off the Traveller. This is my 2-blade fan that I had fitted. As you can see, everything is gone here as far as radiator and all the coolant hoses. This is because the Traveller is running a little bit hot. So while I have all of this out, it's a good time to change the fan, because I wanted to change this back to the standard 11-blade fan. So it's a very quick and easy job. It's only 4 bolts holding it in, but I'll just give you a quick spin down of how you actually do it. Okay, so this is where the fan lives down here. So it fits on here onto the end of the water pump. Obviously, well, this is controlling the alternator as well, and the fans. This is what spins that. So obviously it fits on to the end of the water pump there, like I'm saying. So it just makes sure that everything lines up, and then we may have to adjust the tension on the fan belt as well. Okay, so when fitting your fan, you need to make sure there is a front and a back to the fan, obviously with the direction of the blades. Not all fans have this marked on them, but this is an original Mowag, so this is an original BMC British Leyland one, and as you see it says engine side, so that fits on this direction on the end, so that means it'll be driving the air in the correct direction. So make sure that you put engine side obviously to the engine side of the fan. So if we get them started here, our 1116. Get it started here if we can. Well, at least I didn't drop onto. At least I didn't drop into the subframe. And the fourth one. Just takes a bit of fiddling just to get them all to line up. Get the first, which was the first two really to line up, but because obviously the little spacer in the back of the pulley housing isn't threaded, so it kind of needs to line up just with the bolts as you get them into the threaded section on the water pump. But once you get the first one lined up and nipped up, it's usually easy enough to get the other three in, and then it's only a matter of getting them all tightened up. Okay, so there is our 11 blade fan refitted. Okay, so that's step one of fixing the cooling system on the Mini. So that's the fan fitted. I still have this little lot still to finish and get all that fitted. So that'll be in another upcoming video. So I hope you like this one. It's a very quick one again, a little tech tip just, and yeah, remember to like and subscribe before you go, and we'll see you on the next one.